had my nieces and nephews in Detroit one summer. These motherfuckers record everything. Video, everything. They got me on the tablet. They like, Uncle Howie, you be snoring. I'm like, fuck out my room. Fuck out of here. They're like, no, you need to look at this. They put the tablet out. I'm on that motherfucker dying. I'm like, oh shit, look at me. I'm fucked up. Clearly I'm sick. What the fuck? They laughing in the background like, why the fuck y'all ain't wake me up? I stopped breathing. I'm about to fucking die. They laughing. We about to post this, huh? What the fuck out of here? They about to delete this bullshit. I'm not trying to go viral like this. Sleep fucking out here, this motherfucker. There's a lot of ways you can be sick. Fucking kids. You know what you wanna know what your kids think about you? Really wanna know? Have them draw a picture of you. Shit'll fuck you up. Draw daddy. This motherfucker had you with fangs and shit. Blood coming up the side of your fucking mouth. You're like, who is that? That's you. You drew a little sad face on the side with tears running off the page and shit. Who is that? That's me. He's like, I'm a fucked up man. You drew storm clouds in your house and shit. It's raining on your couch. You're like, what's them sticks over there? Yo, blunts. Hey, shit. Tried to draw a Hennessy bottle and shit. Got the shit all crooked. Misspelled Hennessy and H5 S's. What? What's that, yo, liquor? You're like, I'm not putting this on the refrigerator. That's for damn sure. Balling this shit up, putting it in the garbage. I'm not proud of this. Fucking kids. I got a fat son too. Anybody with fat children? Nobody? Just me, huh? 70% of America's youth overweight. I'm the only one with a little fat butt. Not myself. Anybody know a fat kid? Just interested in that. Fat niggas smart, ain't they? They make up excuses for everything. Go outside and play. Shit, outside. Outside. That's where the bugs live. Fat fuck. My son used to ask for candy intelligence. Father, I was wondering if at this particular juncture of the evening, that might you see it fit that a young lad such as myself might be able to partake in a Snicker bar, perhaps? Take two, you fat fuck. You're working on junior diabetes, motherfucker.